comes from that end. Hi guys, welcome back. So this time I am in Kerala, a place called Kannur. This is where our hometown is. So I had come for here for a marriage, so I thought let me shoot some video and show you guys something. So I'm at this beautiful resort called Hotel Savoy. So this is Savoy. So I stayed here. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cottages here. So each has 2 rooms. Very good and spacious bedroom over here. I don't want to show you the room tour because room is all dirty right now, and I don't think it's anything worth to show. But the location is good. So I decided that let me go for a spin. I'm driving in Jeep Compass, so I decided let's go for a small drive nearby anyway. So I'm actually nearby this beach called Payambalam. So everybody, people who have visited Kerala knows this beach. So if you haven't visited to Kerala or in Kannur, then stay tuned in this video. I'm going to show you what is Payambalam beach. Is one of the famous beach here. And there is also Mudappangadu beach. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrong. So I will link it up here. So that has the Asia's longest drive-in beach, where you can take your car and drive through. So that beach is at the moment closed. It's not open. So I thought let me show you what is Payambalam beach. Hopefully Payambalam beach is open. I don't know, I've been coming here after a year. I think I came here before COVID. So let's find out how Payambalam beach is. So I've got a lot of friends and family in and around this area. So I'm quite familiar with the route and the place. I mean, before I wasn't familiar. So there are a lot of apartments which have come up here. This was constructed new, I think. So this has a beach facing view. So on the left is all beach, Payambalam beach. So this is Payambalam beach entrance. So this is Payambalam beach. I think the entrance is this way. So this is the entry of Payambalam beach. You can park your cars over here and then walk inside the beach. So at the time of recording this video, it's Jan first week. So wish you all a happy new year 2021. I don't know when I'll be publishing this video. This might come a week or 2 later. So currently, yeah, so this is Payambalam beach. So you can drive down through this beach on the sides. I mean, you would have seen this road in many of the other videos. So you can access the beach anywhere in this line, and on the right side is all beach resorts. So if you're coming this side, you can actually take a beach resort on the sides, and you get a nice beach view on the left. So a lot of changed over here in this past 1 year. Looks very neat and clean, and they've made a small pathway in the side so that you can walk if you don't want to walk in the sand. And obviously you can go inside the beach anywhere you want. You would have seen this in Chennai and other coastal areas like Goa and things like that. So I think people who have come here, visited, let me know. I feel the water has come up a bit to the shore. I felt there was a lot of distance, but in this stretch I feel like the water has come up. They have a football ground as well, a small turf. There's a lot of improvements here, a lot of things have come up. So if you're planning for a visit in Kannur, so do come here. visit this place, and I'm sure you will love it. See, you also have a lot of beach resorts like this. So this is one of the beach resort. That is one of the beach resort. A lot of beach resorts in this side, so you can just Google and check. You can find something interesting. Okay, so there's one more football ground over here. Football is one of the I think football is the second most loved after cricket in Kerala, maybe, or maybe first, I'm wrong. So I think football and cricket is where a lot of people I mean, you find a lot of football fans here in Kerala more than cricket. A lot of football fans. You would have even seen Mr. Maradona, who had come over here in Kerala, especially in Kannur. So you can imagine the amount of football fans over here. So there's one more beach resort over here, which I can see here, Ashokam Beach Resort. So everything looks empty. I mean, you know the situation right now, so not much of people over here. Generally this place is not that crowded. You will feel a bit relaxed and peace. Not a lot of traffic also over here. Maybe during season time you might feel, but not much of moving vehicles in the side. But so yeah, so this is a beach. So let me find out a place to stop and show you the beach. Where do I stop the car? Okay, that was a good place. So but then I didn't have parking spot. I think this should be a nice place. So let's find out how the beach is. Isn't the road looking good? So this is the beach. I mean, it goes till the end. So I don't know if you can see it. It comes from that end till that end. So you have road till that end. I mean, in camera it might look small, but it's far. I'm not stepping inside the beach because it's so sunny out here. You can see small boats over there. I actually feel the water has come up a bit. Earlier the water was near that first wave. I don't know. Do you guys feel the same? Has anyone come here recently? Do let me know in the comments below. So a lot of plastics and waste and bottles put here. A lot of people come here and camp over here. I think this is also another beach resort. It looks big, like a palace. No, I think this is a temple. I'm sorry, but it looks huge, right? So there's nothing much to show you over here. So basically it's all beach over here. So if you're a beach lover and if you like to come and take a small holiday vacation in these kind of resorts, then this place is a must. But do remember, it is a bit hot here and I'm shooting Jan first week, but I feel a lot of humid here, being a January month. It is 33 degrees Celsius. But then if you like more of hot climate, then yes, this is a must visit. And by the way, seat belt is a must here, and at the moment mask is also a must. So I'm not wearing the mask because to shoot the video, because it doesn't catch up in the mic. Okay, so this is Temple of Consciousness. That's what is written. The Krishna Beach Resort. It has a resort and a temple over here. I don't know what is this about. Never been here. So do Google and check this out. This looks like a big palace over here. And there are people who are learning to drive over here. So you can understand how free the road is to drive. People come here to learn driving. So the beach extends, as I told you, the beach goes till there. I don't know where the dead end is, but it's worth going here. And the time is around 11:10, which is why I'm not able to show you a lot of things over here. It's so sunny here, but if you're coming here for an evening drive, I'm sure you will love it. You can step inside the beach as well and have fun. Okay, the roads are bad over here. So that's it, guys. So I think there's nothing much more to show you in this Payambalam beach side. So let me turn over here. I think the road is bad till here. I think after that it's fine, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's it, guys, from this small short vlog here in Kannur, Payambalam Beach, Kerala. So if you like this video, if you found something valuable, do give me a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my notifications. So until next time, take care, stay safe, bye bye from Payambalam.